What's going on, YouTube? So as you can see, I received my seat cover for my 400EX. So hopefully it'll fit. It's my first time doing it. Look at the bottom. Backward. So the seat, it looks like it's only been, I think it's only this piece. I'm assuming. Maybe this piece. I'm just gonna screw whatever that needs to be screwed. Hopefully the seat will come off. So give me 1 second. So take the screw off. Just remember this metal piece to hold onto the rod right here. So put it aside. Now I'm taking the other one out. So I took the 2 screws and the rod, metal rod that was stuck, connect to this, goes right there. And this right here. Put it aside. Taking this off the latch, and hopefully this 4 bolt, the seat will come off. So took it off right here. Forgot to mention it was a 10mm I'm using. Let's see. Hopefully the seat will just come right off. Yep, it is perfect. Let's put this aside over here. Here guys, the seat. Just look how they did it. I'm thinking, should I just staple it over? Just use the same disc as the bottom and use this just to cover it up top over it like that, because I don't want to really take out the factory. I got my staple gun. I'm gonna start it from the front right here. Let's do it. I'm just gonna use this. I'm not gonna take it out. I'm gonna keep it in case something don't happen to this top, and I could just rip it and use the factory one. So we said make that nice and tight. So I'm gonna staple right here. Look like it's even right now. It's good. Then put 2 staples just to hold it in. Right here. Okay, now we'll do the back. Staple right here. See how I fold it? So far, so good. I think over here you overlap it like this. Yeah, just overlap it like that. So I'm gonna overlap it. See? See how I do it like that. Just overlap it. Okay, hold nice and tight right here. Staple. Do on the other side. Try to make it look smooth as possible. These. back. So check. Smooth. A little bit messed up right here. Maybe I can stretch it out a little bit more. I have to pull some more maybe. Yeah, that's about what I left to pull. So I'm gonna do this again over here. This side, I'm gonna pull it nice and tight. So I'm gonna pop that open. That was loose right here. Like I said, just pull it all the way, much tighter than I did before. See? Now it's steady. It's nice and firm against the seat with the seat. So just pull like that. I'm gonna staple one for now. Keep it locked in. This one. Bam. Look at that now. Nice and flush, firm. All I gotta do is the other side, this side. What I did was I took a plier, small plier, just take the staple out like that. But let me finish this side then before I do that. Because I want it nice and tight. Like I said, start from the back to the front, okay? Yep, look at it. Well, it's a little crooked right here. It's not that bad. But hey, definitely looks nice though. Almost done. Still got to staple a couple more stuff. Just showing you real quick. Now I'm going to finish the back. So, all done. Put the back on. That's it. This video help you out? Make sure you like, comment, or subscribe. Thanks for watching. So I got to just put this back on the plastic. That's it. See? Nice, right?